Hey guys, today we are here in Marin County and we'll be exploring Old Saint Hilary Preserve. They have this old church in this hill, and the good thing about this, you can bring your dogs and your pets around. So let's go and check it out. Old Saint Hilary's Open Space Preserve is a county park located in Marin County, California. It is 122 acres large and it's connected to the Tiburon uplands, which is 24 acres. The preserve is a unique wildflower garden with 217 species, two-thirds native to the Tiburon Peninsula, including many rare plants. Hello, para sa Scotland. Its diverse flora thrives due to varied geology, serpentine hills, deeper soils, freshwater springs, and full sun exposure. Unfortunately, we won't be able to see a lot of those today because it's winter time. But the rarest is the endemic black jewel flower. It grows only in Serpentine at the peninsula's southern end and blooms in early summer. Now the historic structure in the preserve. The Old Saint Hilary's Church. It was built in 1888 as a place of worship for Tiburon's Catholic railroad and dairy workers. This iconic hillside structure is one of the few remaining Carpenter Gothic churches in its original setting. Speaking of original, its original furnishing includes the white altar rail and statuary stands, as well as the restored Stations of the Cross. A donor salvaged the cross from a church in Santa Fe, New Mexico. The church was deconsecrated when the new St. Hilary's Church was dedicated in 1954. The Landmark Society was established to purchase the building and grounds in 1959. At the back of the church is the Old Saint Hilary's outhouse. It is the only sanitary privy known to survive on the Tiburon Peninsula. It was constructed on an unknown date for convenience of the churchgoers and used until around 1940. It is divided into male and female sections, each with two-seater designed for adults and children. It was a common facility before World War II. Unfortunately guys, as you can see, it's only open from April to October.
During the Great Depression, outhouse construction surged due to WPA projects promoting employment and public health. Indoor plumbing was added to the church around 1960, and the outhouse now serves as a storage.
Just to let you guys know, this is not the best place to go. I mean, we haven't been walking for a long time, but we already encountered a few not so nice people. Either something about the dogs or about the drone. But as you know, I have this I have the certificate to fly drone, and also I only fly my drones where it is permitted to do so. I don't know, this is like, you have this feeling or vibe that people here in Val-de-Vere and the Tiburon area in Marin County aren't so friendly.
The old St. Hilary's Open Space Preserve protects the rare and native wildflowers, including the black jewel flower. Its scenic trails offer panoramic views of the Bay Area, providing refuge for wildlife and recreational haven for visitors. As a preserved natural and historical site, it plays a crucial role in conservation, education, and community enjoyment.
So guys, that's it for our short walk or trip in Old St. Hilary's Preserve. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. If you like our videos, please click thumbs up for like.
Hit the bell to subscribe!
Please comment.
And don't forget to share!